Well guys, morning. It is about 7:30 right now, and I don't know if you guys can hear the wind, but we don't have the nice weather we had yesterday. Storm system came through last night. It's pretty windy, and luckily we didn't have any tornadoes really too close to us. It put the weather from like 65 degrees, and now it's like 20 and windy and cloudy. So we'll be working inside for the most part today. We got to get Berta over to the mechanic shop and get on the road to go do the industrial job. This is not the weather I wanted. And this is not the weather anybody wanted, but you know what? There's a job to be done. Let's go do it. I don't know how Berta's gonna start. We'll see. Truck says 29, weather app says 31. I guess it's not 20. I was overreacting a little, but it's definitely a big temperature change than what it was yesterday. For yesterday being 65, I mean, that's we were outside in our t-shirts pressure washing vehicles. You would not do that in your right mind today. There's snow, a little bit of snow on my running guard of my steps outside the truck. But it's gonna be a cold, windy, gloomy day. I love it. Okay, we are in Berta right now. Let's see if she starts. Give it some throttle. I think it's naturally also. Anyway, she starts better with the throttle. I don't know. This out of the way here. Yep. I don't know what the hell's causing her to do that. I don't know, man. I hope the mechanic's gonna take good care of me. I don't know what's causing her to just go limp on me and shut down. But I know that mechanic, he'll take good care of me. He'll have this thing fixed up. I'm sure this will be a pretty easy fix for him. I don't know. I'm no mechanic. Maybe it'll be in there for 2 months. Who knows? Radios. Yeah, that could probably stay there. We don't need these. We're just kind of waiting for Alex to show up now. It's 7:49, and I see him. He's out there. Looks like he got his truck started this morning, so that's good. That's really good. He's been having some problems with that 7.3. I told him to take it in and get it looked at. And in the meantime, handing him a can of ether just to get him to and from work. And he eventually took that thing in, and I told him it was a glow plug relay, or the glow plugs were going out, and it could have been the glow plug relay too. And it ended up being a glow plug, so. Luckily, he found out the issue. He's still waiting to fix it. I don't know why, but I think he thought like me, and we thought that it was going to be done with the cold, but oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Alright. Let's go greet him and start getting the day started. Okay guys, so far so good. repair shop. Okay? I can see it. Come on, Berta. She's doing good. She's doing good. She tried to kill. She tried to die on me already a couple times. But I forgive you. We're going to get you to a better place. She's going to take care of you. I hope. Beautiful morning out here with the wind farms. Lovely. Man, I bet they're making some power today. Yeah. You guys will never believe this. Right when I was pulling in back there, we made it. We made it. Oh, that's just pure luck right there. Okay. Let me hop in the truck with my helper and let's go to the job site. See if the guy. Who gives a shit if your power went out? I don't care. Breakfast is served. Hey, it's only 8:37. Hell yeah. I was worried taking that truck. You know, it really worked out good. How it didn't shut down on me. I don't know how I pulled that off. It shut down right when I pulled in to the mechanic's shop. No. There we go. Just stuck it in. All nice and caught up on bookworks too the other day. Alright, let's go. Man, it is miserable out here. Drive, and then we gotta fill up the gas can. Because I don't know how long the job's gonna take, and the engine drive is under half, and the gas can is about empty. Well, guys, we are here right now, and turns out they forgot to call us yesterday, and they forgot to cancel us. So I guess we're heading back, and yeah, that'll be that. Short day, short video so far. I don't know, something might come up, who knows. This is why we have minimums. They're still getting billed, and that's that. Well, guys, we are back at the yard, and oh well, at least we made a little money today. We didn't have to do anything.
Yeah.
I mean, other than take the truck.
I'm
Yeah.
beat.
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, so tired. I'm glad the truck made it there. Berta made it to the shop. I was stressed out about that was going to put us behind schedule, but we arrived at our industrial location on time. It's just a little miscommunication, but that's okay. Things like that happen every now and then. But if we get called out today, we get called out today. I don't know. I kind of want to go get breakfast. I don't know. I just ate a bunch of shitty ass like Slim Jim bag of chips. I don't know.
Walk out of the bar.
The bars aren't open yet. I don't know. We'll figure out something. So let me give you some context here. We sat in the truck for about probably 15 minutes. I was like, hey, we're gonna sit here for about an hour or so, set on the clock, and whatever. You know, we're gonna wait, see if we get a call. I'm gonna call some people, see if we can get some work lined up. And, you know, I don't wanna send him home, him be halfway there or him get all the way home and like, hey, come to the yard. We got a job, we got a hot call, you know, because part of our industry is being able to respond very fast and effectively and get there on time and get the job done. So I was like, you know what? Let's sit here. We're gonna spend the money. We're gonna sit here. We're gonna take, you know, an hour or so if it takes that. See if we get a call. And I called one person, my first phone call, and we got dispatched out to this yard or storage place for a very good customer of mine. He does dumpsters. He's a really cool guy. And if you're in the area renting dumpsters from somebody else, you should definitely switch to this guy. This guy's absolutely killing it. He's got a couple 20 yards, multiple 10 yards. I mean, he's a really nice guy too. Super easy to deal with. But he also has a YouTube channel too. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, we went over to this yard. He's got a couple dumpsters needing our assistance. So we went over there and helped him out today. So we made a pretty good day out of it. You know, the company made money, Alex made money, I made money. We all, you know, it was all right day. We're gonna put the truck right over here. This is the dumpster we're working on. We got a hole there, and I think a small hole over there somewhere. I don't know. Hey, you might need to pull up and get over that way a little. Pull up and go that way a little. There you go. we have to break that up and get that cleaned up. And then there's the other one right there. They're really not as big as he was saying. He's saying like, well, I guess technically it is. I thought he was like talking like huge, like put your hand through the hole, but it's really not that bad. Those plates will work out great for this. We might need to tack them down and then beat them just to fit the contour of the waviness to the dumpster floor. Because you see right here, these are all supports. Those are the supports for the cross sections right there. So let's go ahead and start getting tools in here. There you go. Okay, so there's some paint on this other one over here. I told him, he was kind of asking like how to get it off. I told him acetone, but I don't know how to acetone. Because usually welding trucks, you want to try to keep acetone. You clean your aluminum and you throw the wire and stuff. We're going to try it real quick. Uh-oh. That's some good quality paint. It's working a little bit. Not fast enough. I'll be there all day. Yeah. Gonna have to get some kind of acid. That's not gonna work. Unfortunately. You can go ahead and cut it. Okay. I tried to get this moved around with the pipe wrench and the cheater bar, and I ended up falling down and breaking my pipe wrench. I knew better. We're gonna go ahead and heat this up right here. The way I do these, I like to use these wedges. This little backstop bar right here, I'll jam it in there right there, and as I heat it up, I'll pound my wedges in, and it'll straighten that pretty much right back up. It's really hard to get these nice and factory again, but once we get it pretty straightened up, we'll throw some lead paint on it and she'll be ready for another day. Got the torch out, we're gonna go ahead and get it lit and get that thing heated up. Yeah, man, I'll show you the pipe wrench. This is the pipe wrench. I knew better than not heat it up. Okay, so I got that pretty well straightened up. I'm working on this little bump right here, and like I said, it's really hard to get these guys back factory nice and sharp like that. An alternative to do this that takes a little bit more time and has kind of a little bit better results, but not without a whole lot more labor. The quickest way to do this is this, from what I found. But another way to do it is to cut right here and cut right there, and you take that to the back of your truck and you heat it up and straighten out and flatten it on the back of your vise, and then you just weld it back on. That opens up liability to this thing popping off and somebody falling. So that's another thing you want to look at when you're kind of doing this kind of stuff. So yeah, we're gonna get that heated up right there, and I'll get back with you. Okay, this is what we got. It's definitely a lot better. Like I said, it's really hard to get this thing perfectly factory again, but that is definitely acceptable. You know, and the chances are too, if that one's been hit, that's about the level that these roll-offs are. So chances are you might be working on it again. What you do this is you get some of this probably 1.5 inch strapping, cut some sections out, 3/16 maybe, and make a new one. And there you go. You just cut the old one off and put the new one off. But that takes a little more time and material. And usually on this dumpster work, you want to be quick, effective, and kind of a cost-effective solution to getting these guys back going on the road again. That's kind of a main deal with these guys. You don't want to sink, you know, it doesn't make sense to sink thousands of dollars into one dumpster, you know. Some people it does, a lot of people it doesn't, because it just doesn't make sense, you know. But yeah, we're gonna let that cool down, and we're gonna throw some paint on it, and should be good to go. I didn't hit it too bad with the torch. I tried to keep it on the metal, but there's little burn marks. We'll get those taken care of too. But we're done over here. Let that cool. I need to go cut this plate for Alex so he can finish working over on this tin yard over here. Let's go take a look at how he's doing. How's it going? Going good?
Yeah. Almost
Oh,
done.
you've already got it cut. Awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
And once I get this, finish getting this cleaned up, it'll be ready for you to weld.
All right. Awesome. So, on that note, I guess I am good to go ahead and start breaking down the oxyacetylate torch. It's windy out here. And put that away. Well, guys, Alex did a good job getting these all nice and prepped. I'm going to go ahead and get this machine grounded, and we'll be ready to weld.
Just like ice cream.
Yeah, buddy. Not playing with it. Okay. Get our settings in tune. Whew, man. When your pant leg comes up over your boot, man, that's a different type of cold. Oh, man. We're running coveralls and our button-ups today, and sweatshirts and long sleeves and all that good stuff. Looks like we're set to 1/8 inch, so that's good. 035 voltage and wire speed are looking alright, so let's say we go ahead and burn some wire. Come on. Sun's coming out, bro. This float sometimes it helps put it down in a small valley. Once I get done tacking this, we'll weld in between it. Go ahead and cut it.
hit up the steakhouse. Why not? Well,
Now for these guys, I like this. If I can butt them up to the bottom like that, that's awesome. Because you got to keep in mind, your head's going to be here, and your gun angle is important. So sometimes it's best to come up just a hair to help you weld it in place. Okay, we're gonna have Alex have a try with the gun. Flip your hood. Thank you. Yep. I do it all the time.
losing my place. Is this thing off or is it not?
No, you got your sunglasses on.
I'm an idiot.
See better? Alright. Line it up, buddy. There you go. Look like
Oh, yeah, that's not pretty.
it's not too bad.
Nothing?
Yeah, keep going. I would whack this. Here, I'll do it for you. Watch out. Alright. That sun coming out. Yeah. Ah. Look at that. Okay, I got this primed, just some gray primer, nothing crazy. We're gonna let that dry. This is the best match I could find, International Red. You want to prime stuff before you put that final paint on there. It helps the paint bond to the virgin material a little better, and you don't have to use as much paint. I just like to use the flat gray Rust-Oleum product. That's what I use, that's what I carry on the truck. I've used other brands before. This is just the cheaper stuff. I feel like it works a little bit better than Touch and Tone, which is a terrible brand of paint. I will never buy another can of Touch and Tone, but Rust-Oleum's not too bad for the price you pay, so I choose Rust-Oleum. I'm no painter, I'm just a welder. But your job isn't done until it looks like it never happened. So I always carry a bunch of paint. Let's go check on Alex. Okay guys, we are wrapping it up. Got our plates in there. We're gonna get the water feeder out, put those guys up, and we're gonna hit it with some glue cap. Keep the rust down a little bit. What's that?
She didn't want to die.
No, she didn't. She did not. Whole time, we didn't even scratch our new tank. Like, we didn't even make a dent in the gauge. I don't think we really ran it that long, though. I mean, we probably ran it for a couple hours, if that, really. You know?
I don't know what time we got here.
I don't either. I'm gonna get in here and start disassembling, unhooking that machine from the extension cord. Thought I wore my coveralls. Let's go. Let's go ahead and paint this guy. It's going that way.
Yeah. I was worried about it.
Yeah, me too. I hate this equipment paint. It doesn't have the nozzle when you push on it for a long time. I know I sound like a little wussy like when I'm saying this, but it hurts your finger, and the nozzle just sucks on it. It doesn't have a nice spray to it like the other cans do. And this isn't the perfect match, but it's the closest I got on the truck right now. So
It's pretty close.
I mean, it's pretty close. I don't know. Yep. Okay, this is kind of the final product. It required 3 patches. The patch size is kind of just because that's what we had. And the reason I'm spraying this stuff is because these dumpster guys carry all kinds of stuff. Some of it's like metal, some of it's concrete, some of it's just trash, you know, and every time it goes in and out, it scratches this. Now, this coat's gonna rub right off, but the thing is, when you pay as much money as we're charging for something to be done like this, and you come back the next day or the next week to get this dumpster and those plates are rusty, it's not the best look. It's mainly the first time the customer sees these, like, wow, nice shiny metal, my holes are patched. That's what we want. We know this coating's gonna wear off. We know that eventually they're gonna wear down over time. And this floor might be due to be replaced here soon. When you do the touches like this, the nice final touches and make things look nice, I don't have a doubt in my mind that we're going to be the company he calls to replace this floor. So that's that. Yeah.
Can we close the door?
What's that?
Close?
Yeah. Also, hold up. Don't close it yet. Let me put this one. Look for any grease certs on that stuff.
Okay.
See right here, these 2 little grease certs. Another thing I like to do as kind of just an included thing is I like to grease those because you know for a fact they're not going to do it until it's too late, and now they're calling us to replace some hinges because they didn't do their maintenance. Now this guy, I'm pretty sure he greases them, but this gives them less to worry about. We need to reload this grease gun. Do you know how to reload a grease gun?
Been like a year.
Okay, I'll come in. I'll show you. Assuming I have grease tubes in the truck, which I hope I do. I don't want to use that one. That's the expensive grease. Oh, don't have any in here. Nope. And I don't have any back here. Nope. Are you kidding me? Oh. I mean, you know what? All I got is this wheel bearing grease. We're gonna load that in there. Me and Chuck were using this because we had to re-grease one of the bearings on the ton. So, because Ding Dong opened it here and not here that you can put back
Jeez.
on.
Yeah.
So it's like, come on, Chucky. So
It's okay. He's a trucker.
yeah, these guys pull this guy back. See how that catches?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this off.
Oh, you pulled back and twisted, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
See that? Now you can take this and kind of do that. And then you can, go get me a tub of towel over there. Greasy. I knew better. It was gonna happen one way or another. Yes. You know, there's a quicker way to do this, but whew. Oh, shoot. Shiver me timbers, bud. Oh, man. See? And I was going to show him how to do this, but I don't know if I'm qualified anymore to do that.
That's okay. We'll just Google it later.
Yeah, we'll just Google it. Make sure that guy's back all the way. Take this end that doesn't have the metal around it and put it in there. Use your that to push it in there, and then screw it on there. And then you can push that in, and there you go. Now it should still have its prime because it's got grease in the hose and in the pump, I think. It might need reprimed. There we go. We're primed. Okay, I need an orange towel. Man, what a mess. What's that?
Where do you keep those?
They're in the same cabinet you got that. They're back there. They should be. If not, just give me another blue one. I'll take another blue one. And like I said, the reason that I'm doing this is because it's kind of something that I add on, and they're gonna call me saying, hey, my hinges fell off, I need you to come weld them. Ah, that don't look like it's taking grease. That's another thing. Usually when I rehang these doors after they get destroyed and bent off, I do replace the greasers. That's not taking grease with the crap. I think that one is, yeah. Ugh. Well, got a little grease in it. That top one didn't take too well. I think I got some in it, but I always want to wipe that down because it looks terrible when you got grease hanging on there, and then a bunch of dust as these guys are going down the road, going through construction sites and stuff. It'll get covered in dust, and then it's just, I don't know, it's another thing you gotta clean. So yeah, there we go. We got these greased up, and we're gonna go ahead and get the truck set up and head to lunch. I'll see you guys when we get back on the road. Got that clean cab going on. Where's my, did I put my keys back? in here?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
I'm ready for some lunch. How about you?
Yeah, me too. Technically, I shouldn't have brought this in the truck because it's stuff that I weld in. I don't, especially with these dumpsters, you don't know what they put in there.
Keep the cancer out of the cab.
Yeah. It's 123, isn't it? Ow. Always gonna hurt today, dude.
You can't warranty your knees.
Yeah, I know. Ooh.
You got dirt from the dumpster on the rim.
Yeah.
You know, where they were sitting
Uh-huh.
on the inside.
Ooh, man, still bad. It's probably not good to clean them with one of these, but it's way better than your shirt tail. Gotta be. Our shirt tails, at least, where they're all covered in grimy dust and
Oh, yeah.
shavings. Alright. Yeah, we're back in business. Let's go to lunch. Lunchtime. I just got done. Cheeseburger and a couple beers over at the old Longhorn, yeah? Alex is gonna be driving to the Menards because we got to warranty a tool. I've got to answer some emails and edit this video. See you guys when we get to Menards. This is you. And this is the guy she tells you not to worry about. Right, Alex?
Oh, yeah.
Like father, like son. Well, guys, that's the end of this video. It's time for me to catch up on some bookwork stuff, send some invoices, and catch up with couple more emails. And we're gonna call it a day. The truck's clean. We made some money today. We got a new pipe wrench that's like massive. I've always wanted that pipe wrench. Come on. We all have wanted that big pipe wrench at Menards. We've seen it. We've looked at it. We wanted it for some reason. I own one. It was really only like $110. It was actually reasonably priced considering the tool has a lifetime warranty. We did have to warranty one of those pipe wrenches because once again today I was being an idiot with it. Oh well, we got a bigger wrench now. Shouldn't have that problem. So, guys, thanks for watching this video. Appreciate all the views and all that stuff we're getting. I know we're a pretty small channel right now, but gotta get there somehow. So, if you like this content, make sure to do the things that people do when they like certain videos. If you don't like it, go watch somebody else. That is all. Remember, guys, stay profitable. I'll see you on the next one.